In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Google Ads data in Google Sheets using Supermetrics. By the end, you'll have Supermetrics installed in your Google Sheet and connected to your Google Ads account, so you can start pulling your performance data directly into a spreadsheet. First, let's add Supermetrics to your Google Sheets. Open a new or existing Google Sheets file. At the top menu, go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Supermetrics. Click Install and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account and grant permissions so the add-on can connect to your sheets and data sources. This is normal for add-ons that pull external data into Sheets. Once the installation completes, return to your spreadsheet, go to Extensions again, hover over Supermetrics, and click Launch. You should now see the Supermetrics sidebar open on the right-hand side of your sheet. Before pulling any data, you need to connect your Google Ads account. In the Supermetrics sidebar, click Create New Query. A panel will appear where you can choose your data source. Select Google Ads from the list. If this is your first time connecting, Supermetrics will prompt you to authenticate. Make sure you log in with the Google account that actually has access to the Google Ads account you want to track. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check you're using the right one. You only need read-only access to pull performance data, so there's no need to grant higher permissions if you don't have them. During the connection process, you may be asked whether you want the connection to be shared or private. Choose Shared. If you're collaborating with a team and want others who have access to the sheet to be able to refresh and use the same connection. Choose Private, if this is just for you or you're working with sensitive data that shouldn't be accessible to other editors. You can change this later if your needs evolve. Next, Supermetrics will show you the list of Google Ads accounts you have access to. Select the specific account or accounts you want to track. If you work with multiple accounts, picking only what you need will keep your queries faster and your sheet cleaner. At this point, you've successfully installed Supermetrics, launched it inside Google Sheets, authenticated with the correct Google account, chosen the appropriate connection type, and selected the Google Ads account you'll be tracking. You're now ready to build your queries and bring your Google Ads performance data into Sheets whenever you need it.